Hello guys, welcome to the channel. Today we'll talk about the four mistakes that dropshippers do in this business. So the first problem is the basic website. You create your website very basic, you copy everything from other dropshippers. Your photos are low quality, your description is copy and not detailed, your price is not good, your reviews, everything. When the customer click on your ad and go to your website, if they see these kind of things, like they can think it's not a professional website, so they will not purchase from you. Okay, so I will explain now how to fix it. First of all, make sure you have a good quality photos. You can take yourself, it will be better. Like, don't copy other product photos from other website. And then make sure you have good description about the product. Like, you can mention the delivery time, also order preparation time, what's included in the package, and all details about the product, like how it works, what you need to do, what's it for, and everything. Okay, so then you can use gifs, photos related to product in the description. It will help customers better understand the product and it will motivate them to buy. So then you can add reviews and make sure you have photo reviews, especially the last reviews showing on the page. These are most important because customers don't check all reviews. They just check a couple of them and then they decide it's good or not. So make sure you use photo reviews and good reviews. The text should be also good about the product. And then make sure your price is not very expensive because you can lose customers. I always advise people to put price lower at the beginning. After you make some sales, then you can increase the price, but at the beginning make sure like you have, even it will be better if you don't take profit at the beginning. Just focus on making sales and collecting data, and then you can focus on making profit. The second problem is saturated product. So again, people copying their product from each other. They go to the, for example, Facebook or TikTok, they see one product and okay, they copy the same product photos, same description, everything. They copy everything and put their website and run same ad. Okay, even the same ad, and of course it will not work because Facebook recognize this, it's a copy, and it will decrease your reach. So that's why what you need to do, even if you run a saturated product, make sure your photos, your videos for ad are unique. Okay, not taken from somewhere else. That's why try to find a unique product. You can check other competitors, you can get idea, but I don't advise to run ads for same product. As I said, if you want to promote exactly same product, then make sure you have different kind of videos, different kind of description, and also don't put price very high because you will lose customers. The third problem is copy ads. Okay, so people again copying their ads. For example, they see tutorials on YouTube about targeting a product, so they target same product and they are targeting same interest, same country, everything same. So that's why it's not working. When you copy the ads, a Facebook algorithm recognize, for example, it's the same video, same kind of targeting, and they will reduce your reach. That's why don't do it. Okay, what you can do, you can create another video. You can do it even better. If you cannot make a video yourself, you can hire like a freelancer and they will do it for you, and it's not expensive. You can do it for a cheap price. When you run ads, okay, you need to test different ad sets, different ads. So what I mean by that, you can test different interests, different countries, different age, different gender, and then for each ad set you can test different ads. For example, you can test different videos, different photos. You will understand which one is working better for you, and then you can scale these metrics. For example, the video ads, only United States, only women, and this interest working better for me. And again, always use one interest per ad set. That's why I recommend you don't narrow down to, for example, engage shoppers or something else. Just use one interest and target like this. And also don't target the first interest that's shown in the Facebook. For example, let's say you are selling a necklace, don't put the necklace as an interest in the Facebook. Okay, you can target more specific, more niche interests, because everybody think like you, everybody do same kind of targeting, and that's why there is a really high competition, and that's why you get very low results. And also I want to talk about the budget. When you run ads, if you set your budget low, like a $5, $10, then you need to wait, okay, a couple days to make sales. For example, you want to run ads for $5 a day, but your product price is $90. Okay, then of course it will be difficult for you to make sales at the first day. You have to wait a couple days so it will spend money and you can make sales after a couple days. Don't kill the ad set immediately. If your product price is more, then you have to spend also more to make sales. That's the how Facebook works. And the final problem I want to talk about is on-site optimization. Okay, most of the people don't set up the abundant checkout emails or SMS, and they miss all these chats. Okay, for example, customers see your ad, okay, but maybe they don't want to purchase exactly when they see. Maybe they will purchase later, okay? So maybe they will forget. So what you need to do, you can set up the abundant checkout emails, SMS, especially the SMS is working really well. You have to pay for SMS, but I guarantee you it's working better than emails. So you can set up SMS and emails after 30 minutes. It's the best one, the best time for sending SMS and emails. And then you can set up welcome email series. For example, I do it for my all stores. I set 10 emails and one email each day. When the customer join my email list, 10 days, they will receive emails, different emails. For example, you can promote different products here. You can offer different discounts here. For example, at the first email, you can offer 10% discount. For example, after 5 days, you can offer 20% discount. And at the end, last day, you can offer 30% discount. And one of them will work. So they will receive email every day. It's also a good way for making sales. And how you can collect this customer list, the email list, you can offer a pop-up when the people enter your website. After like 20-30 seconds, you can send a pop-up. It could be a wheel or a single pop-up that you can offer them a discount for a limited time. For example, 10% discount in the next 20 minutes. So they will hurry. They don't want to miss this chance and they will sign up. So you will get this email list and you can use this email list even if they don't purchase. Okay, you can use this email list and you can retarget always. So until they make purchase. And also make sure your pixels working very well. For example, the Facebook pixel, also the TikTok pixel, the Google Analytics. Make sure you set up everything so you can collect all this data from the all platforms and you can use this later. Okay guys, that's all for this video. I hope you learned something from this video. When you run this business, make sure you don't do this for mistakes. If you like this video, make sure you subscribe my channel so you will not miss other videos.